everybody, welcome back to our project here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I know you've seen it before, but we started planting and I want to show you some of it. Our client really wanted to bring nature back into the space with their landscaping, as you can see with all the different natural stone. So their plantings kind of went along the same line. We implemented lots of Michigan native plants, we implemented a lot of different colored grasses. We kind of went for that Colorado Chateau vibe and got a lot of different greens in here as well. To make this property look a little bit more secluded, we implemented some large trees on the outskirts. So we have, again, a lot of Michigan native trees. We've got red maple, we've got sugar maples, we've even got a few birches, and then there's some dogwoods here behind me as well. Believe it or not, this is the last video we'll be doing here before the project's done. So please let us know in the comments below how you think it's gonna look.